So this is was 7 a.m. in the morning, and then yung mga elbow and PVC cement, and then si Mrs. may dala-dala siya mga tubo to fix her flat since karoon ng pagsabog dun sa metal tubing na naka-embedded sa flat niya. And we're on the way dun sa kanyang paupahan. And we got there. So ayun yung submeter. Then dyan ko siya i-install sa gilid, and I have to back the sides since napaka-fragile ng PVC. Pagka nadunggol mo ito, maaaring mabasag. So ayun yung mga elbows, 15 pesos each. Then yung burot siya 20. Then yung tube na yan is 100 each, 10 feet. Then yung clamp is 3 pesos each naman. Then yung tubo na natira sa pag-install ko. And I don't wanted to show you guys how did I made it, just how I made it. I wanted to show you guys the process.